We have with us Manikant. He secured an All India rank of 28 in JEE 2009. He has also cleared the International Chemistry Olympiad. Hi Manikant.
Hi.
So how did you prepare for the JEE and what tips would you like to give to the aspiring IITians?
Well, coming to my JEE preparation, I always concentrated on the class notes right from the beginning, because I know that at the end, means in the last three to 4 months of attending JEE, they are the ones which help us a lot. There is no point in reading the whole book in the last 3 months. So just stick on to your class notes, do as many problems as you can, gain as many ideas as you can, so that your confidence builds up in attending the JEE. And also, while reading the books in the beginning, just stick on to the standard books. Read them perfectly, get clear of the concepts, take help of your teachers, friends and other resources. And I don't think reading one book perfectly is sufficient for attending the JEE exam. You should be reading a lot many books. And one thing you should keep in mind while reading books is, once you read a standard textbook first, while reading the next book, don't read the whole book. You just uh, have a look at the pages and only concentrate on the things which are new to you, or any concepts that are explained in a different way, so that you will save time. This is the way you have to prepare.
Okay. So according to you, what strategy should a student adopt to crack the current pattern of the JEE?
Being an objective pattern, there is no scope of getting questions which have so many steps or involving so much time to do a problem. The main thing is, you have to get an idea. It should strike spontaneously. It will be developed only when you do practice, a lot of practice on the objective type of questions. You should be clear with the concepts, because in an objective pattern, concepts are the things which gain you a lot of marks.
Okay. When a student is preparing for the JEE, there is a lot of pressure from all sides, parents, peers, everybody. So how does one cope up with the pressure?
Thinking of the result, I think it is the main reason for getting pressurized. So never think of the result. Just keep your efforts. Just have confidence in yourselves. Anyway, we are not going to do anything if we do not crack JEE, or even if we crack JEE, just keep your efforts, just be calm. Anyway, you will be getting the fruits after your efforts.
What was your study plan for the three subjects, physics, chemistry and maths?
In maths and physics, there are really a few handful of concepts. Just learn them, clear them, and do as many problems as you can. Coming to chemistry, there are really a very large number of concepts. So go through books. There is no point in solving so many problems in chemistry. Once you are clear with the concepts, the problems come automatically. The problem with the maths and physics is you need to get ideas, and for that you need to solve a lot of problems. So just keep solving problems in maths and physics, and read many books in chemistry.
During the last few days before the JEE, should one concentrate on the theory or the problem solving aspect of things?
As I said, in the last few days, just stick on to the class notes. Only the main area should be revised, and just do as many problems as you can, and feel like you are attending the JEE pattern exam. Just take a test for 3 hours in the last few days, morning and the evening. Just take the exams, many exams, so that you will gain confidence. You will know how to allot the time for each subject. That should be developed on your own. No one can say how much time you have to put on a particular subject. It's your technique, and it should be developed only by practice. So better practice a lot of papers during the last few days.
Okay. And so there are three streams to chemistry: inorganic, organic and physical. So which should be given the most importance according to you?
In general, physics and physical chemistry and organic chemistry are given a lot of weightage in JEE pattern, but this year, as we can see, inorganic has come up with a lot of weightage. So the better thing is, just concentrate on the subject you like the most of the three: physical, inorganic or organic, and you concentrate on that. And the remaining things you should practice a lot, even if you like or do not like.
Okay. So when students are preparing for the JEE, they feel that inorganic chemistry has a very vast course and they try to avoid learning it. So what would be your tips to those students?
The main problem with inorganic is, you can memorize it only when you read it daily. On a daily basis, you have to read chemistry. Never give a break. Then I don't think, if once you will forget, twice you will forget, but by constant efforts you can memorize it. There will be no problem if you keep constant efforts.
Okay. How was your experience at the International Chemistry Olympiad?
It was really one of the most memorable experiences of my life. Meeting so many people from different nations, listening to their views, and Cambridge University is really such a place which gives a lot of inspiration. There are so many wonderful discoveries happen there that gave me a lot of inspiration to do research uh, in the future.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, tell me how you feel that EduCell can help students.
EduCell is a very nice idea. Whenever a student is in a class, he listens the lessons or he can gain ideas only from a teacher's point of view. But when the students who have already cracked JEE, if they give the ideas, it will be a lot better helpful, and the students who crack JEE know what the problems they can face while writing a paper. That is what a teacher cannot say. So it will definitely help, and mentoring, I think it is a really brilliant idea.
Okay, so how do you feel that mentoring can help students?
Like already who crack a JEE, they know what the problems they are going to face, like mental conditions to whenever you do not attempt a paper nicely, you just go to mental depression. So like the things should not happen. That can be done only when a guidance is there, proper guidance. Like I am fortunate to have some nice teachers in my second year, so that I got a good guidance. But all members who are trying to crack JEE may not have such a good opportunity. So this is really helpful.
Okay, so do you have any experience while preparing for JEE that you would like to share with the students who are aspiring to crack?
Never make silly mistakes. Try to concentrate in the exam hall. Don't get tensed. The tension is what makes you silly mistakes. Whenever a question is simple, try to do it with perfection, with speed and accuracy. Hard questions you leave it, but simple questions you make sure that you do not miss them.
Thank you, Manikant. It was nice talking to you. Hope you have a very bright future.